Hey everyone! Today let's talk about an interesting concept in Stoicism. It's called the dichotomy of control. So, think about what's actually in our control. Our thoughts, our efforts, our actions, these are all within our control. You get to decide how you think, how you work. Now, what's not in our control, what others think, their work, the results we get, these are not in our hands. No matter how hard you try, you can't control what goes on in other people's minds. It's not within your control. Need an example? Okay, let me explain. Imagine you're studying for a big exam. You're studying, your focus, your dedication. These are all in your control, but the exam results? Those are not in your hands, so don't stress over it, just focus on what you can control. If you remember this simple idea, it can really help you deal with stress and worries in life. Things won't always go our way, but we can definitely control our efforts. So next time life throws you a curveball, remember, focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. That's the essence of dichotomy of control in Stoicism. Thanks, goodbye.